Hi, hello friends, welcome. I'm Jolene and I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I have been I did some Memorial Day shopping, so I have a lot of things I've been sharing lately from my memorial sales, but today I'm doing something different. I'm sharing my beauty empties. So I don't have a lot this month, but now I guess you'd say this was for May, but I don't necessarily do it by month. I just do it by when I feel like I have enough to share. So let's just get to it. Okay, friends. So I'm going to go through my bath shower products, and then I'll get to the makeup. So the first thing I'm going to share is the sponge. Now this is a sponge gel. A sponge. If you haven't heard of them, look them up. But I have a ton of these because I've stocked up when they've been on sale, and they smell so good. And you just wet them, and then at first they're firm because they have a lot of like cleaning, like, what do you call it, like shower gel or whatever in here. So when I use them up, I usually keep them for a while, after the scent goes away. They say it's about 14 uses that it works for, but then I just keep it, and then I just put my shower gel on top of it and use it as a sponge. So I have actually used this for a while, and they stay clean because they have the cleanser in them. So they don't really get dirty, you know what I mean? So, you can use it for longer. I just was ready for a new one, so now I have a flower one. I think it's a pear something scent, but most of their scents are so good. I really love the apple blossom one. So if you look into them, the apple blossom one is really good. They're all good. I've been happy with all the scents. But anyway, so that's my first thing. Something I would buy again. I don't need to because I have a lot of back stock already of these. But anyway, there's that. I've given these as gifts too, by the way, and people love them. They're like, oh, I love that. Anyway, so my sister likes to take it when she travels. She goes on a lot of cruises and stuff, so she likes to take these with her, so I've given her a few. Anyway, the next thing I have is a shampoo. This is Nelson Beverly Hills. Now, I used to love this shampoo, and then I don't know what happened, if they changed the formula or something, but I like more, I know when you wet your hair, you can get a little bit of lather, but this doesn't have very much lather, and I like a little bit more lather, but actually, my hair stays clean when I use this. And it's supposed to be very moisturizing, so I can't really complain about it. I have bought it like 3 times. I think I still have a set in back stock because I know they've had this like on Fab Fit Fun and different places. So I don't know. I'm on the fence about it being. It used to be a real favorite of mine, but it's not really anymore. I use Amika shampoos and hair products. I love those. And anyway, so I don't know. It's probably not something I'm going to buy much in the future, but I do have more and I will use it. So I always get through the shampoo quicker than the conditioner on this. So I'll have a conditioner coming up probably next month. But anyway, there's that. And my third item I have is, I have a couple of hand lotions. This one is from Refreshments. It's a Luscious hand cream. It says Coconut Cloud. Now, I love Ipsy. I mean, you guys know I share a lot of Ipsy things, love a lot of things about them, but the Refreshments line, I'm not a big fan of. This right here, to me, it doesn't even smell great. So, that's not bad smell. Let's see if I can get some out of here. I don't know if I can. But anyway, I can't. But I can smell it. So it's not bad. So, it's a hand cream. So I'm not too picky about my hand creams as long as they feel good going on. So anyway, that's my third product. My fourth product is another hand cream. This is from Diana's, and this is a goat milk hand cream. So I feels like there might be a little bit something in here. I don't know. Let me see. I like the Diana's hand creams. In fact, I think I have a couple coming from Ipsy. Yeah, I got a little bit out of here. So I don't know if I love the smell of this one as much as some of the others, but it's a great hand cream. It's really good. So, like I said, I've already purchased, I've gotten a couple in the Ipsy shop that were on like a real good sale. So anyway, these are fun. These are great for your purse. They're great to have. So that's my fourth thing. My fifth thing is it says, I scraped this. I like literally, you can't, I mean, I scraped this. This is from Earth Harbor, and it is, it's a neck cream. I can't read what it says. Let me read it here. So it's ALLURE Regenerative Neck Cream. I don't know what all it says, but anyway, Earth Harbor, we see so many of these products, and I'm not like, I like Earth Harbor. I mean, they're a pretty good brand, but this neck cream is my favorite. I had another one on hand because I knew I loved it so much that I think it was at Fab Fit Fun. I picked up an extra one because I just love it. So now I'm using another one. I mean, I have neck problems or as it is, so with losing weight, and I haven't been able to really take care of that yet, but this helps. This does help. So, and it just feels good. I feel like I'm doing something good for my skin. So I do love that product. So the next thing I have is another serum, and this you guys have seen me share. This is the bigger bottle of the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Cream. I use this at night, and it's great. It's wonderful. This is a pricey product. Their biggest bottle is over $200, but I get them always in the with the gift with purchase when I buy my foundation. So I actually have a lot of these backups. I have some smaller ones than this, but anyway, they last a long time. Love this product. Don't know if I could ever afford to buy it, so full price. So I love that I can get samples of it and use it that way. So anyway, there's that. And then I have two, while we're on Estee Lauder, and you guys know I wear their foundations. I have two foundations that I finished that I went through. This one looks like there might be something in there. I think it's just, yeah. Anyway. So these are a little bit lighter shades that I wear now. So I think I've gone a little bit darker. So anyway, these two, they're great. I love their foundation. Love, love, love this. I will always keep buying it. I happen to have enough right now, I think, to finish the year. I got some extras with gifts with purchase. So anyway, there's my Estee Lauder Double Wear. Okay, so the rest is all kind of makeup items. I have from Tarte, I have a blush that I've gone through, hit pan on that. I love this. I love this blush. Now, all the things I bought from Tarte lately, I have not bought this blush. I have other blushes of theirs, but I might have to pick up another one of these because I love it. I think I have another sample I'm still using. But anyway, this is a great blush. Tarte makes this Amazonian clay. The thing about these two, the Amazonian clay, is that they stay. They have staying power. So the clay kind of works to stay. So anyway, great product. The next thing I'm pulling out here, this is from Marc Jacobs. Now, I love this product. This is an eyebrow pencil, and I love the two-ended thing. Now, the problem is that it's out, and it didn't last. It seems like I didn't have it that long in it, you know. And so I don't know if this was a sample, even though it looks full size. I don't know, but it's gone. I used it up. And then I think this side's still probably decent. There's, you know, just a little bit of the gel. So I love this product. If I had an opportunity to get it again, I probably would. I'd be happy with it. A lot of times I buy products I want to try or brands I love, but I get so many products in my boxes and stuff that sometimes I don't always go buy if I love it. But this is one I would look into possibly purchasing if I could afford it. I mean, it's Marc Jacobs, so it may be a pricey product. But anyway, there's that. One more. This I believe is an eyeliner, and this is from, it's Hyper Easy from Maybelline. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, this was an eyeliner and I hated it. So it wasn't very powerful and it broke. I mean, it's super thin and I couldn't get it to go on my eyes good. Like, it didn't have a lot of pigment. So there's still product in there, but I'm not digging it. So I threw that away. The next brow product I have is the BFF, the brow gel. Now this is full, but it's kind of gross. It gets gross. Like, especially if you have like a brow, you put it on over your brow pencil, but then the color gets in it. This is supposed to be clear. Anyway, so I'm not a fan of this product. I thought I loved it at one time, and I've gone through more than one of these, but the same thing happens every time. It gets kind of goopy and gross. So there's that. I have two mascaras. One is a sample. This is from Milk Makeup. I actually have a large size of this too that I use sometimes. It's okay. It's pretty good. I mean, I like the size of the brush. So it's not a bad mascara, but there's so many good mascaras out there. It's hard for me to pick. I mean, I have some favorites, but anyway, that's probably not one of them, even though it's a great mascara. Then I have this double decker lashes, and this is from, who makes this one? It's from Butter London, and I have loved this. This is old, but it had a good brush, and I actually love this mascara when I was using it, but it's seen better days. So there's that. Once again, it's not one I'd probably buy again, but I wouldn't be mad about it if I got it in a box or something. And then the last thing I have here is a lip product. This is from NYX, and it's a smaller one, so I don't know if I got it as a sample from someone or something. It's a great color. Look at that. Perfect color for me. The problem is it's dried up, and I buy these regularly. I love these NYC lip products. These are stay. You put them on, they dry up, they stay. You probably want to put a gloss on over them, but you can get these for under $10 on Amazon. I love the new NYC lip, the lip product. What do they call this one? Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream. So anyway, good product. Check it out, Amazon. Okay, so this is it. This is my beauty empties. So I guess I had enough because I did a lot of talking. So it's a full video, but there we go. Let me know what you think. Is there any products you want to try or you have tried and what you think about them? So I appreciate you guys being here. I love your support. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.